Welcome back to the channel today, guys. We're doing a photo shoot today of a dear friend of mine, and we'll get to that in just a second. But what I want to do at the beginning is I want to explain that I'm going to show this a little differently than I do most of the videos when I'm doing a photo shoot. In the past, if you've watched, I do the photo shoot, and as I'm shooting, I put the picture up right after it. Well, this time I decided to try something a little different. I'm going to let the video run. She's doing 3 outfits, so I'm going to run the video of me shooting her in the first outfit. Then after the first outfit, I'm going to post all the pictures. Then in the second outfit will be the video of her second outfit, and then obviously all the pictures will be shown after her second outfit, and then the same thing with the third outfit. I thought that might be better because I know some of you are more interested in actually seeing the pictures being taken, and some of you are more interested in seeing the pictures after they're taken. So this way, if you want to skip around, you can skip around. So hopefully I'd love for you guys to watch the whole thing. But if you want to see just the video part, you can watch that and skip the pictures, or you can look at the pictures and skip the video part, whatever you want to do. But just check it out. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today I have a super wonderful friend with me that I've known for a long time. I did her pictures. We won't say how long, but I think I was a manager at Glamour Shots, and she was like 15 when I first started doing her pictures. And believe it or not, all these years, she's still my friend. Now, she did one thing. When I first started the YouTube channel, she was like the first person I ever had on. And she also was like the 4th video, which at the time, I didn't know how to set up audio. There were stands falling on her, but she braved all the way through it. Most people would have got it.
Later, and I'm back. Yeah.
Most people would have got up and left, but she stuck it out. So I appreciate it. And we also just passed 1,000 subscribers. And people like Emily, that has been with us forever. I just wanted to mention her because we have shot tons of pictures.
I don't even know how many. Yeah.
We'll have to count them one day, but I doubt they're all still around.
Well, it was way before.
It was way before digital. Yes, it was. So.
Yeah.
But we're going to do a photo shoot tonight. We're going to do a few small shoots first. But when we get done, we're going to do some headshots up against a wall. And those should look pretty cool. Now, the deal with the headshots, end of this month, early next month, we got a 2-part series coming out on how to do headshots. I'm going to walk you through step by step. We're not going to do that tonight. We're going to have a video where you can see them being done. But the actual step-by-step video will be coming out in about a month or so. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so what we're going to do first, guys, is we've got her in this nice, beautiful little field where we are. You can see the sky behind her. Off to my left, I've got a fill light. I don't know if you can see that or not. We're going to be doing a series on how to shoot off-camera fill light too. But tonight, we're just doing some pictures of Emily because she had a chance to do it, and we wanted to do them. And she takes great pictures, so her video is going to get like 1 million subscribers, I'm sure. All right, there we go, right there, good. You can smile a little bit in these. I almost never have Emily smile since we were like really young, but it's just one of those things because she really has the look that I like without smiling. That's awesome right there. Very good. Tilt your head over this way just a little bit for me. Very good. Just a little bit of a smile. Just a tad, not much. There you go. That's awesome. Give me a little more smile. There you go. That's like the most I've ever seen her smile in my entire life. That was cool.
Instead of laughing at me.
That's right. Always laughing at me. Go out with that arm, your right arm, and kind of lean out that way.
This arm?
Mm-hmm.
Just right?
Mm-hmm. That right. There you go. Come on, can you lean out a little bit further? There you go, right there. Arch that back up real straight. That's awesome right there. Good. When you're shooting these, I know this is not a tutorial. We'll get into that later, but you'll notice the pictures match the sky. She's not too hot, not too blown out. Yeah, it's kind of hot and humid, but as far as the pictures go, she's not blown out of the picture. She fits in with the background. That's because of the way we're shooting with the off-camera flash. There we go, right there, like that. No smile. Close those eyes. Part your lips. There you go. Now, hang on. Close your eyes again. Open them up real slow and part your lips on 3. 1, 2, 3. See what I mean, y'all? She's got it right there. She has that going on. I like that right there. Pretty good. Take your left hand and kind of put it up over on your leg. There you go. You can start it on top.
Oh, that's weird.
There you go. That looks awesome. Right there. All right, now we're going to back up a little.
Down?
Yeah, get comfortable. You can get comfortable. There you go. Good. Right there. Good. Tell you what, if you're going to lean, let's go like point being a little more toward the camera. There we go. Okay, that's awesome right there. Very good. A little bit of a smile. That's awesome right there. Arch that back up a little bit. Roll your chin this way. Right there. Good. Very good. Let me come in close. That's good right there. Very good. Give me a little smile. Or get a little bit more. She didn't know what to do with me telling her to smile.
I really don't.
All right, that is cool right there. All right, so that gives you an idea of how you can shoot with off-camera flash. So we're going to move to our next location. Okay, so we moved our location over to a spot where it's kind of dark where I'm at, and she's a little bit dark, but we're going to use the off-camera flash again, and we'll have light behind her. That looks good. Bring your chin back this way. Right there, very good. That looks awesome. Let's go this way. We'll go full length. Now, one thing you'll see is how you can see the pictures of her, and we got pretty good light behind her, but if I turn that ISO up on these new cameras, it'll be fine. I'm gonna go up to 1250. This is what we get on 1250. So don't be afraid to turn your ISO up on these new cameras because they do a fantastic job. That's good. I'm gonna come in a lot closer this time. Here we go. Turn your chin back this way. Eyes toward me, very good. A little bit of a smile. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna back this up a tad. There you go. All right, turn right toward me, feet right toward me, feet apart. Come over this way. There you go, I want some attitude. I know you know attitude. All right, so here we go. There you go. She's got these poses down. If you're working with a new model, they're not gonna know how to do what she's doing. That's okay, you can teach them as you go. Right there, good smile. Very good. Here we go. Attitude right through there, right through the camera. Very good. Right there, and I'll try to keep a little bit of that archway around her to give the image a little depth. So I'm gonna come in fairly close, keep that same attitude you got. I'm gonna go about waist up. Here we go. Glaring right through the camera on 3, 1, 2, 3. A little bit of a smile. There you go, that's awesome. And you guys.
A little bit sideways for me, the other way. And grab that jacket.
That looks good, looking right through the lens. You got it. Awesome. Now we'll back up and get a little bit of full. And it's okay to be below your client a little bit. It gives them a little bit of authority. Sorry. So when I come in on her headshot, I'm going to get a little bit below her head. Right there, very good. Come on, go. Perfect. Tilt your head over this way for me. On over, and chin back. Right there. No smile. There you go. Close your eyes. There you go. Perfect. I'm going to cut the top of her head off on that one a little bit. So that looks very cool.
This reminds me of the black jackets we did for Hollywood Creation.
Oh, crap. Yeah, I forgot about that.
That was good. 90s hair. That was crazy.
Do you want to sit her right there? I know.
Ants everywhere.
Okay, well, don't sit her right.
Well, come.
Can you sit kind of like I am where your feet are both on the ground and you're not on the ground?
Oh,
Not where I'm at, how I'm sitting.
You know, like.
Oh, like a kneel.
Yep.
Yep, just like that. There you go.
Yeah.
That's cool. I like that.
Okay.
All right, there we go. Very good. Very good. Gliding right through the camera like that. A little bit of a smile. Tilt your head that way. Very good. And this, she makes it look easy because she's been posing for so long. But if you've got a client that doesn't know how to pose, you're going to have to walk them through this. And we'll be doing sessions on that. Bring your chin back this way. Oh, I like that. There you go. We're going to come in close on that one. Right there. We're going to come in even closer. There we go. I like that look. That's pretty good. And if you notice, I can move wherever I want with the camera because I've got the flash is stationary where it's at. So as long as the flash don't move, it don't matter where I'm at. That looks awesome. guys, I just want to take this second of your time. If you guys would please hit like and subscribe, it would go a long ways toward helping our channel and help us keep making these videos. Thank you. All right, right there. All right, back up straight. Back up against the wall. Roll your chin down just a tad. Yes, now we are kicking butt. All right, what we're doing, guys, I forgot to tell you earlier, we're shooting with the Canon R6. We're using the Sigma 24-105 f4. So if anybody says you can't do it with an f4, just have them watch the video. You don't have to have an f2.8. So send them to the video if they disagree. Now we're going to get in some cool shots right here. And this is what I was talking about. We're going to have a series coming up on how to do headshots. This is not it. This is just doing headshots. But let's go ahead and get started. Here we go. Arch that back up straight. Just roll that chin sideways down real sexy. Just kind of cut your eyes toward me. Perfect. See that again. I love that. That's awesome. Let me roll this down. And I'm going to have you spraying her down. First, I just want it. The first view with her spray down, I just want like on her face, not her hair yet. Yeah, I only want like some hair coming down in front of your face. Whoa. Hey,
Just the top thing.
All right, it's good. Really get
Do you want some of her hair in front of her face?
I do. That's funny. Yeah. At least you didn't fall and get hurt. I would have felt bad laughing.
No doubt he would have laughed.
I would have laughed, but I would have felt bad. All right, now this is what we came for right here. We want super sexy, wet, eyes glaring through your hair, lean back on the wall, whatever is comfortable. Just want that sexy look with your eyes. Here we go. Looks awesome. I'm gonna let you keep moving for me for a few. There we go. Go ahead. Roll your chin over a little bit.
Can she use her hands?
She can if she wants. She can do whatever you want. There you go. Yeah. Whatever you're comfortable with. Yeah. There you go. That's perfect. Awesome. Awesome. What throws me off is I'm watching this screen and it shows me your last picture. So when I tell you to turn your head, you've already turned your head. I just don't know it. Yeah. Yeah.
I got you.
Yeah.
Oh.
There you go. Like that. That's awesome right there. That's awesome. Perfect. Chin up just a tad. Chin back this way. Eyes glaring right through the camera. A little bit of a little sexy smile. There you go. Tilt your head over this way, Bill.
Are you getting low enough to even get?
Just barely, but it's okay. Hold it right there. All right, let's pull some hair in front of your face.
More?
A little more. That looks really good. I like that. Right there. 1, 2, 3. Arch your back up a little bit higher. There you go. That's good. Very good. And you'll see in that shot where instead of using the rule of thirds, there's always rules to be broke. That's the rule of thirds, but it was actually, she was on the far left side of the rule of thirds. All right, so you don't always have to go by every rule in the photography book. You can break them because sometimes it just looks cool. Coming really close. And without that fill flash, we would not have any light in her eyes right there. Close your eyes. Glaring right through the camera. 1, 2, 3. I always like to count, that way they know when to open their eyes. And she's super good at it. Sometimes people will die laughing when they get to 3. You never know, but that's awesome right there. Very good. I like that. Turn your back all the way up against the wall. There you go. Chin down just a tad. There you go. Perfect. Up just a barely right there. Good. Right there. Squinch your shoulders, arch that back. All right. Roll your chin this way. They're good. Close your eyes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. All right. Open your eyes. I think I'm going to go to the side and shoot back that way on a few. What do you think? All right, hold on. Take this a second. I almost got you done. Uh-oh, what do you want? I thought I was almost done. All right, I'm going to get on the corner. Now look toward me. There you go, right there, good. Let's see how our light looks. Let me turn the light up a little bit. I'm also using the Godox X3, the new Godox trigger, which makes it very handy. It's all touch screen. That should be pretty good right there. That looks awesome right there. Very good. Bring your chin back this way just a tad. Now I'm going to catch the corner of this building, so we got a little bit more in there. That'll get the old back going. I'm going to turn her to the other side in just a second right there. Good. Yeah, I'm going to turn it that way because the flash is over there. Don't fall off that little stool.
Itching with the hair all in the face.
Almost done. No.
Try not to tear up the...
Yeah.
We're going to be a big old butt dent, and there's somebody's going to be like, where was it up here?
That's awesome right there. Let's see what that light did. I like that light. It's got a dramatic look to it because part of her to the left is shaded and the other's not. That's perfect. Go back where you were. Right there. Close those eyes. Open up slowly. 1, 2, 3. All right, keep coming this way. Chin down. Tilt your head a little bit straighter. Don't move, don't move. Chin down just a tad. Glaring through the camera. 1, 2, 3. All right, hold on. Bring your chin back that way. Now lean your whole body like back like that. There you go. That's perfect. Open your eyes. Give me a little bit of look. That's cool. Okay, good. Perfect. I like that. That was very cool. That's awesome. Roll your chin toward me a little bit more. Close your eyes. Let's go for that sexy look. 1, 2, 3. That is about as perfect as it gets right there. I love that. All right, turn your chin back this way. Lay your head over. Let's go right there because I'm going to use this as the last 3 or 4. I'm just going to let you start posing. I'm going to shoot and then we'll be done.
Okay.
Do you want your hair up in some?
Well, I've got a clip.
Okay.
All right, keep on moving. I'm letting you do this. There you go. Oh, you're going to smile. Look at that. Breaking the traditions. That's awesome. I like that. Reach in that way. That way a little bit more. I love that. That was really tight. Back up. If you want to lean forward in the last few and use your hands, they're good. Perfect. That looks awesome. That's good.
You're the one that taught me not to really lean on my hand.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on down with that.
More?
Just pretend.
Yeah, just pretend. Just pretend. You got it. So that's awesome. Very good. You got it. Lean back toward the wall a little bit. There we go. Gorgeous. Let you smile this time. There you go. There you go. All right, so thank you guys for watching. The headshot at the end of that was the main reason I wanted to do that photo shoot. I had that idea for the headshots up here, and I knew Emily would be perfect for that. She did a great job on those headshots. Just a special thank you to Emily for doing that. Thank you for my wife. She was there helping. If we're helping you guys out, give us a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Have a good day.